Do you want to appear offline on TikTok? You can turn off TikTok active status with just a few simple steps. Before we begin, please like this video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorials and tips. I've also included some helpful tools and apps in the description, so be sure to check them out. To turn off TikTok active status and appear offline. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device. Once you're in TikTok, tap on the profile icon at the bottom right to go to your profile page. Now, at the top right corner of the profile page, tap on the three-line menu. A menu will appear. From here, tap on Settings and Privacy. Now, a new screen appears with different setting options. Tap on Privacy from the list of options. Scroll down and find the option Activity Status. You'll see a toggle switch next to Activity Status. Turn off the toggle switch button to stop others from seeing when you're active or were last online. Once this is disabled, your friends and followers won't know when you're online, making you appear offline on TikTok.